Hello friends, this is Durga from ITversity. So as part of setting up development environment for big data, as part of this video I will try to compare Oracle VirtualBox and VMware Fusion. Okay, so both are good technologies to set up virtual boxes on Mac, and we will get into the details about comparing both. So VirtualBox is the technology provided by Oracle. It was originally from Sun Microsystems. As Oracle acquired it, Oracle actually provides the VirtualBox software. It's completely free. You can click on this link, go to downloads, and then we will see how to install. As part of the next couple of videos, we will cover both the technologies. But as a big data aspirant, you need not install both VirtualBox as well as VMware Fusion. You have to just install one. So VirtualBox is absolutely free. If you just want to create one or two virtual machines, VirtualBox is a good tool. And also VirtualBox comes with internal firewall, and to work around that firewall it is a little bit challenging. So especially if you try to set up virtual machines with CentOS, using VirtualBox is little bit challenging. But the advantage of VirtualBox is absolutely free. You don't need to spend any money. If you just want to create one or two virtual boxes to explore only for big data, I will highly recommend VirtualBox. Okay, and then VMware VMware is another company. It's a EMC company, and they are the first ones who are very successful in virtualization software. And VMware Fusion is the technology they provide for Mac to create the virtual machines. So for first 1 month it is free. Okay, after that you have to pay. The latest version is, I think, let me go to products and search for Fusion. Okay, if you click on Fusion, so the latest version is 8. So for you 8 is more than enough. No need to go with Pro. Pro is a little bit expensive, and if you are buying for the first time, for upgrade the price will be a little bit cheaper. But when you try to set up for the first time after 1 month, you have to pay $80. If you want to leverage this virtualization software as part of your Mac in future to explore many other technologies, I will highly recommend to go with Fusion, VMware Fusion, because it's a lot more simpler to maintain virtual machines using VMware Fusion. VirtualBox, it's absolutely free. If you just want to learn big data in next 6 months to 1 year, and if you don't want to create too many virtual machines, I will recommend the VirtualBox. So it's up to your choice which you want to install, but install only one. There is no need to install both. And then I will have videos to create virtual machines on both the technologies, which you can leverage and follow one single path. From here, once you choose the software between VMware and VirtualBox, you just have to watch one of the two videos here, and then you will also try to choose the Cloudera, choose between Cloudera and Hortonworks. Once you choose Cloudera Quick Start or Hortonworks Sandbox, and if you want to install Cloudera Quick Start on VMware Fusion, you can follow this section and you can ignore all the other. So you have to follow only one of these 4 sections. You don't need to follow everything. Okay, so you will end up setting up only one VM, either using VMware Fusion or VirtualBox. You will not be using both. Okay, so you don't need to watch all the videos in this lesson or in this course. You just have to choose what you want to set up, and based on you have to follow the path. Once again, if you choose VirtualBox and Cloudera Quick Start on VirtualBox, you just have to see the content, see the video in this lecture, and then directly go to Cloudera Quick Start VM on VirtualBox. In case if you want to use VMware Fusion and set up Hortonworks Sandbox, then you just have to watch this one, skip Oracle VirtualBox. You can skip Cloudera Quick Start on VMware Fusion. You can skip Cloudera Quick Start VM on VirtualBox. You can skip Hortonworks Sandbox and VirtualBox, and you can just watch Hortonworks Sandbox on VMware Fusion. So it's up to you what you want to choose, and then based on that, just follow the relevant path instead of wasting time in watching all the playlists or all the sections. It is not required, and there will be some videos which will be repeated on multiple sections also. Okay, so please keep that in mind and save your time rather than unnecessarily watching all the sections as part of this course. That being said, I hope you are enjoying the content on the channel, on the content of the course. If you like this course and if you want to provide the feedback, please comment so that I can improvise on my material over time. That being said, thank you. Bye.